Destination image is one of the most researched topics in tourism. Today's topic, destination image. The image you have of a destination. It's measured in the academic literature in several different ways. One is an overall image of the destination. Another one is a cognitive image. What do you know about the destination? And another underlying construct of the image is affective image. That is, how do you feel about the destination? Travel Professor is here doing a hike in Hong Kong. I'm on Sharp Island. I'm joined by Sandra here from Spain, and we've caught the ferry from Sai Kung over to Sharp Island to do a short hike on a cool Sunday afternoon. Sandra, welcome. What brought you to Hong Kong?
Well, I'm a PhD student, so I came here for a short-term period, just for improve my doctoral thesis.
Great. And you came to Hong Kong. What was your image of Hong Kong before you came?
Well, I have the image like it was similar to New York with this skyline, overcrowded, so many people. So that was the image I have.
All right. And what have you done since you've been here? What sort of activities when you're not studying? What have you been doing?
Well, I've been strolling around Hong Kong Island and Kowloon, but also I've been hiking and discovering the nature.
How has the destination image changed for you?
Well, it has changed a lot because I discovered the other side of Hong Kong. Because I just thought that it was like buildings, pavement, but then it's like, as you can see here in Sharp Island, this you can discover so many nature, so many hikings and so many trails. So it's not just the city.
All right. When you go back to Spain, what will you tell your friends about Hong Kong?
That it's an extraordinary place for coming and not spend just 2 or 3 days. That if you would really want to discover Hong Kong, you must spend here at least a week.
All right. Great. Thanks for talking to me, Sandra.
You're welcome.
I'm also joined on Sharp Island with Vas from Cyprus. Thanks for joining me. We're talking about destination image, and how has your image of Hong Kong changed from before you came as a PhD student to currently?
Well, to be totally honest, when I first decided to arrive in Hong Kong, I didn't do so much research, but according to my stereotype image, if you want to have it that way, was, a lot of concrete, a lot of buildings. But throughout the months staying in Hong Kong, I realized that there was another side of Hong Kong, so I decided to hike a little. If somebody's willing me to move out of the city, they can discover some really authentic towns, people, scenery, which for me it's more interesting.
Great. So a more holistic view than a stereotyped view.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Good. All right. Thanks, Vas.